Welcome back to our channel Digital Notes 3.2 The Song of Songs. Let's continue. English workshop. First question: frame your own sentences by using words or phrases. Wonderful. Answer: he is so lucky to have such wonderful teacher. Superb. Digi Notes is a superb education channel for students. Very well. She is a very well educated. So beautiful and divine. Life is so beautiful and divine. Second question: from the story, make a list of the words related with the music. First, voice. Second, musician. Third, rag. Fourth, sing. Fifth, ustad. Sixth, music. Tanpura, tansen. Come to the next question. Who said to whom, when oblique why? Who said to whom? Who, whom, when oblique why? First, then I must have him sing in my court. Akbar said to Birbal. When oblique why? When Tansen said someone sings better than him. Next. I shall go as a humble lover of music, Akbar said to Tansen. When Tansen told Akbar that he would not come as emperor. Next. What has happened to you? Sant Haridas said to Tansen. When Tansen made a deliberate mistake. Next. Fourth, how can I expect my music to be so beautiful and divine? Tansen said to Akbar when Akbar asked him why he couldn't sing like his guru. Next question. Fourth, match the sentences with their types. Sentences types. First, what has happened to you? Interrogative. I am long past the age for singing. Statement oblique assertive. Wonderful, exclamatory. No, not even then. Negative. Take me to him. Imperative. Fifth question. Make as many words as you can from the word exasperated. Answer: tea, speed, date, rate, pate, tree, sari, seed, spread, read, see, air. Next question. Sixth question. Write T for true, NT for not true, and CNS for cannot say. First, Emperor Akbar greatly admired Tansen's music, but now he was bored with it. Not true. Akbar was arrogant and expected all his subjects to be his commands. Not true. Next, Guruji recognized the king. Cannot say. Fourth, in spite of being a great singer, Tansen continued to make up deliberate mistakes. True. Next, any effort dedicated to God turns to be the best. True. Next question. Discuss and write briefly. What would happen if the Emperor Akbar would summon Sant Haridas? Take a screenshot or write it in your notebook. Next question. What if you find a blind person singing a song melodious for begging? Take a screenshot or write it in your notebook. Come to the next. Eighth. State the underlined the group of words. First, he wore a shirt made of cotton. He wore a shirt which was made of cotton. Are you sure of your innocence? Are you sure that you are innocent? This is exactly reason for his failure. This is exactly why he is failed. After finishing his work, he went home. He finished his work and he went home. Notice that the all underlined the groups of the word sentence. The marked merely refers to the concept as expression. They do not the content, the subject or the main or the principal verb, such as the group of the words. The unit of the sentence is called a phrase. Each of the underlined the groups of the words in a sentence. The marked the convey a thought oblique concept. Have the subject and the principal the main verb. This unit oblique part of the sentence is called clause. Say whether the underlined are the phrases or clauses. First, the musician laid his tanpura on the carpet. Phrase. Second, there is someone who sings far better. Clause. He had been the Tansen's music teacher and he lived the life of hermit. Clause. The music spread like the first glimmer of dawn. Phrase. His music springs from the depth of his soul. Phrase. As they walked back, the emperor suddenly broke the silence. Clause. Ninth question. Divide the class into two groups. Teacher divides the story into two parts. Each group should be allotted the one part to the converted to the play of this format. Combine the two parts such as the entire story is converted to a play. Also, they give the suitable title. Present the play in your class. Do it yourself. 10th question. Sachana entered the information about the Tansen and any two great artists, oblique musicians with the help of the following points. Name, place of birth, music, oblique art, award and honors. Take a screenshot or write it in your notebook. Come to the next question. 11 activity. Color the any 5 stories of Akbar and Birbal. Write or present any of them in the class. Take down screenshot or write it in your notebook.